How to Create a Successful Mindset, featuring Dr. Angela Duckworth. To anyone listening right now, what could change about your life, or the life of someone you care about, if you truly take to heart what's being shared today? According to world-renowned researcher Dr. Angela Duckworth, embracing these lessons will give you one powerful thing: the possibility of glimpsing excellence within your own life. You'll begin to see what you are truly capable of achieving. Today on the Mel Robbins podcast, Mel welcomes Dr. Duckworth, pioneering psychologist, best-selling author, and one of the leading experts in the science of human performance. In this conversation, she reveals the real formula behind success: the science of grit, perseverance, and passion. Grit, she explains, is the combination of passion and perseverance for long-term goals. It isn't connected to natural talent or intelligence. Grit is about showing up, working hard at something you love, and committing to it over the long haul. It's the dedication to do what you care about, even when it's difficult, even when no one is watching. For those who think they've missed their chance, that it's too late to start over or too late to succeed, Dr. Duckworth insists that you're wrong. The very essence of being human is growth. It's our nature to make mistakes, fail, learn, and become stronger through experience. Hope, she says, is the belief that the future can be better than the past, and that you have the power to make it so. Dr. Duckworth's research shows that everyone possesses ambition. Every person wants to reach their full potential. The common denominator among high achievers, from world-class athletes to top scholars, is grit, a sustained combination of passion and perseverance. But grit isn't something you're simply born with. It's a trait anyone can develop. Your mindset, environment, and habits all shape how gritty you become. This ties directly into what psychologists call a growth mindset, the belief that human ability is not fixed, but capable of improvement through effort, experience, and learning. A fixed mindset believes talent is innate and unchangeable. People who think this way often avoid challenges, hide failures, and live within the limits of their perceived abilities. In contrast, those with a growth mindset see failure as feedback. They ask, "What can I learn here? How can I improve?" And they grow stronger as a result. Your mindset becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. If you look for proof that you can't change, you'll find it. But if you look for evidence that you can grow, you'll find that too. Modern neuroscience supports this truth. The human brain is plastic, meaning it continues to grow, form new connections, and adapt at every age. You are never too old or too late to change. Dr. Duckworth explains that what makes human beings special is not that we're born smart, but that we can become smarter over time. Intentional effort and curiosity create a virtuous cycle of improvement. The world's most accomplished individuals, whether CEOs, chefs, artists, or athletes, all see themselves as lifelong learners. As Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella famously said, "Don't be a know-it-all, be a learn-it-all." Consistency, not intensity, is the true heart of grit. High achievers aren't always operating at 11 out of 10 intensity. Instead, they show up with an 8 out of 10 effort, day after day, without quitting. It's not about burning out in bursts of effort, but about persistence, coming back to your goals even after bad days, disappointments, and doubts. Dr. Duckworth distinguishes between talent and hard work. Talent, she defines, is the rate at which you improve when you practice. Some people may learn faster than others, but improvement is always possible for everyone. Even if your rate of progress feels slower, the secret to long-term success is staying on the treadmill, not quitting when things get hard. In the end, her message is both simple and profound. Success doesn't come from talent alone. It comes from consistent effort, growth, and the belief that you can always become more than you are today.